Hello everyone and welcome to Grinds Online Ireland. I'm Tara and today we're going to be covering some integration. So our question today is find the area of the region bounded by the curve f of x is equal to 3x squared plus 1, the x-axis, and the lines x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 3. So our first step would be just to draw this out just to get a rough idea of what they're asking for. So if we draw the function here, f of x, we'll draw the line x is equal to 1, x is equal to 3, and we already have our x-axis there. So the area they're asking us to find is this shaded area here. Now to find the area underneath the curve of any function, you should know by now, guys, we do integration. So we'll have to find the integral of f of x, which is just 3x squared plus 1. And of course, don't forget your dx. And it's going to be bounded by x is equal to 1 to x is equal to 3. So the limits in our integration in this case will be from 1 to 3. Now to solve this integral, guys, you use your log tables. So you look at each one individually. And based on that, then, if we have something that's x to the power of n, the integral of that, or log tables tells us, is x to the power of n plus 1 all over n plus 1. So if we look at the 3x squared in this case, well, we can just forget about the 3 until the very end. And n in this case is 2, so it's going to be x to the power of 2 plus 1, which is 3. All over 2 plus 1, which is 3. And of course, then we can't forget the 3 that's multiplying it. So we're going to multiply it then by that 3. But if we notice here, the 3's cancel each other out. So we're just left with x cubed. So that's going to be the integral of our first part. The integral then, guys, of a constant is always just equal to x. So for example, 1, the integral of that is going to be x. If it was 2, the integral of that would be 2x. If it was 10, the integral of that would be 10x. So now we have the integral then for that one as well. So we can go ahead and then say that the integral from 3 to 1 of 3x squared plus 1 dx, that's just going to equal to x cubed plus x. And of course, then we're going to go from 1 to 3. So we're going to have to first plug in the top number 3 for x. So if I do that, I'm going to get 3 cubed plus 3. And then we're going to take away when we substitute in the bottom number. So that's going to be 1 cubed plus 1. So 3 cubed, that's going to give us 27, and 27 plus 3 is going to give us 30. And we're going to have minus 1 cubed is 1, plus 1 is 2. So our answer then is 28. So the area bounded between f of x is equal to 1, x is equal to 3, and the x-axis is 28.